You want me to say I'm from Dracut, Mass, or you still want to put it in there? You want to start over? Sorry. My name's Mary Ann O'Hearn, and I'm from Dracut, Mass. In case you can't tell, that's close to Boston. They all tease me on my accent, just so you know. Yeah, they like me to say the word polar bear, but they say land of the polar bear. Well, I've been here at GEAR for 23 years, but before that I taught ceramics since I was 20, and I'm only 23 now, so. This is a technique called wet etching. This is what you're going to be learning about in my class. This is a different type of technique. It's sort of like sgraffito, only it eliminates all the dust that you get from dry etching, you know, or sgraffitoing. I'm not going to say any more because I want you guys to all come to my class. This is a fun class and it's simple. So come hang out with me for an hour and a half. What else you got to do?